So in this video we'll discuss about social movements. Social movements are universal in nature. Social movements shape the state and its functions, accountability and responsibility. In contemporary times, social movements are seen in all states. The term social movement is used to correspond different meanings. There are no universally accepted definitions of social movements. Some social scientists use this term to identify a set of activities undertaken by one or many organizations to bring change in society. And some use this to represent historical changes like modernizations, urbanizations, etc. Now let's talk about the origins of social movement. The term social movement can be traced back to 18th century when Western society involved in social, economic and political upliftment. Definitions of social movement. Number 1. According to Lawrence von Stein, social movements are dynamic forces in society which emerge against the state. According to Andre Gunder Frank, there is a distinction between political movement and social movement. Social movement does not strive for state power. It seeks more autonomy, not state power. According to him, objective of social movement is social transformations. The participant mobilize for social justice. Now, meaning of social movement. Social movements are forms of collective action that emerge as a response to inequality, injustice, oppressions, and socio-economic, cultural, and political demand. Factors that led to emergence of social movement. Number 1. Process of democratization, spread of education, conservation of industrialization, increased advancement of ICT, emergence of free press and NGOs, etc. Now let's talk about features of social movement. Number 1. Collective actions, and number 2. It is directed towards socio-economic and political change. Constitutional and non-constitutional nature of social movement. Social movement follows constitutional as well as non or extra-constitutional path. Non-constitutional path is also known as direct actions against the state that aimed at some political change. Constitutional actions refers to the action that is legally permitted and widely accepted as a part of a society at a given part of time. Such action includes petitioning, voting in election, fighting legal battles in the court, etc. The line between these two is very thin. Non-constitutional actions can take several forms such as protest, agitation, strike, riot, etc. Conditions for a successful social movement. Number 1. Capable and strategically oriented leadership. Leaders plays a very significant role in expressions of ideology and in preparing